surreal. I won't even lie, it was overwhelming, and I was so happy to just hear that sound that I'd been waiting for the past 93 days. It's been so significant, especially because this is something that has never been done. I still can't even believe it has happened. You know, pride in our continent, especially in Zimbabwe, pride in ourselves will result in development, because once we are proud of who we are, which is an initiative that we have incorporated today, we realize that, look, we can actually create something for ourselves, because once self-confidence comes, you can actually develop.
I feel so happy to be in the Guinness Book of Records, to break that record. It gives me the desire to do more. It's been indeed a great pleasure to me. The record has been broken and I was part of it, so I feel so overwhelmed.